What's going on, you guys? So today's video might seem a little bit different. That's because, well, firstly, I have a cold, so I don't really want to do a whole lot of talking. If it looks like I actually feel fine, it's because I'm on a lot of medication right now. So yeah. Anyways, I just kind of want to show you guys me building the bike. Just take a seat, sit back, relax. I hope this entertains you. That was not a satisfying box opening. Oh, sick. That's like opening a card and pretending all the money isn't in it. Oh, that shit goes hard. Oh, there we go. I didn't record it, but I kind of got it. I'm fucking up the rim, but I don't really care about this rim because we're not going to reuse it again. I got it. Fucking sweet. It's on the wrong way. No, I'm just messing. It's not on the wrong way. The tire is on, that's all you need to worry about. I did purchase this, and this is an actual bike stand, so we'll no longer have to worry about using this piece of aluminum. This is gonna actually, firstly, save the paint on our frame. Also, not be as difficult to put the bike on. Let's go ahead and put the front wheel on first so I can put it on the new stand. Well, that might actually be worse, but I guess it is what it is. It's because of this funky ass kickstand we have that it won't sit properly. It's kind of sideways a little bit, but you know, if it works, it works. Maybe not as good as the old system, but so I know that it's upside down, but does it really matter? Sure, it'll look a little wonky, but at the end of the day, it works. Will it work as good as it would if it were standing, you know, properly on the other side? Who knows? Yeah.
My diamonds! Sonny, what do you think of my outfit? Wait, she's looking at the screen. Oh, never mind.
You couldn't include one Allen wrench? What the fuck? I don't want to go grab my own, what the hell? No! God damn it! In this video, he adds 3 washers. I'm gonna add 2 because I'm cheap. that's it. All right, well, I think everything's ready to drive. Let's go ahead. Oh, off camera, I did go ahead and fix the spacing on this wheel. It's not 100% perfect, as you can tell with that line right there in the middle, not lining up with that bolt, but it's fine. It is what it is. Over here I have one big spacer, two small ones, and then there's another one over there you can't see. And then over here I'm just running one big one and one small one, so if you were wondering what my spacer setup is, it's that. So yes. Oh, and I did not have to remove the stock drum brake mounting location. It does clear. All right, let's go ahead and give it its first lowered startup. Well, not its first. I've started it since then, but yeah, you know, the first one that you guys are seeing. Alright, so really quickly before this video ends, I just kind of want to talk about a few things. So firstly, I'm really happy to announce that we did just hit 100 subscribers, and I really just want to give a massive thank you to everybody who continues to watch these videos and likes them enough to hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate it, and I just kind of wanted to say thank you. Now, I will be doing a proper 100 subscriber thank you. This is not really that. Alright, so I think that's kind of everything that I wanted to say. Now, if there's anything that you want to see me do in future videos concerning the mini bike, or the Miata, or the Mazda 3, or maybe even the Explorer that has been kind of abandoned, do let me know. You know, I like creating videos for you all to see, and I like to see that they do pretty well. I just really want to give a massive thank you to those of you that keep coming back, watching my content, liking, and subscribing. It really does mean the world to me. Now, with all of that being said, I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.
Outside